Hello and welcome. Now, Windows 10 has a number of control panel operations that will help you to manage your experience and to be more productive. And you can access these settings in a number of ways. You can access it through the desktop menu, or you can access it through a more traditional manner of clicking and looking for the control panel. And what's interesting is that in many cases, some of the most familiar sequences of keystrokes still work in the new operating system. For example, if you were to click the Control, the Alt, and the Delete key, you would see then that the Task Manager would then be available to you, or would then open up and then give you access to many of the controls that you want to use. And in fact, some of the resources you may have seen in previous versions of Windows. So in this course, not only will we look at the control panel, but we'll also look at the web browser that goes with Windows 10 called Microsoft Edge. And while we won't cover every process, we will cover those processes that you're likely to run into on a regular basis. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another